Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangelite, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another try on. Alright guys, so for today's video, we have a short Christmas gift from my husband. It's a Shein baggy short. Alright, so let's do it. Let's try it on in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
Alright, pero bago po yun, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa isang fan natin na si John Lucky Alcazaran Saran. Love, love, love! Ayan, siya po ay Baroa referee. Love, love, love guys! And let's go! Try na natin itong short. Alright guys, so ayan, suot na natin itong baggy shorts. Ayan, this is from Shein Rowie Collection. So this is the front, guys. Side. And may photo siya dito. Back. Side. And front again. Ayan. So yun lang guys, that's it for today's video. So yun, mid belt, it looks like this. May accent na rin siya. Kala niyo guys nakadoble yung short ko, but no, it's the design. And yun. Okay, hindi talaga ako sanay sa mga ganitong short guys. But yeah. Why not try a new style? Diba? So yun na guys. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.